Well, this is going to be a big work in progress project that I don't want to deal with. I have no choice. Right now, I'm trying to recondition the battery and get that going. Then figure out all the engine problems and try and get the computer to smooth out, hopefully, and readjust all that stuff. I just redid the intake. Right now, I got the battery charger along with the jumper on AGM cycle, but I have to leave the key in the on or accessory position, the lights on, to create, I guess, a parasitic drag to allow that recycle to happen or desulfate the battery. Just one, not the rest of the other batteries I have here in the back as well. The battery capacitor is okay. The other battery in the back for the sub is okay. But it's just a lot of work that I don't really feel like dealing with. I clean this stuff up and look for some other crap. Then I'll be doing the brakes if I get the car running right. Get those done. Pressure wash the car itself, and hopefully get that recycled, and I can get the car repainted one day. It won't be this year apparently, unless I go back to work someplace. Well, it's a lot of work in progress. Trying to get that crap around the sunroof, get that cleaned up. The car sat so long, it's literally a film of grunge. That's really bad. And then the wiper itself over here disintegrated with all the heat just sitting in one spot. So, what can I say? Bullshit is bullshit.